Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And Xiaomi just released its two brand new phones, that the Mi 11X and the Mi 11X Pro. So in today's particular video we are going to talk about which is the best for you as per the price and the budget and the specs. So please do watch this particular video till the end and let's get started. In this particular video I'm just going to give my straightforward verdict of which phone you should buy. According to me, in my honest opinion, you should buy the Pro model, the Mi 11X Pro, because if you want a cheaper phone, you don't need a Snapdragon something like the 870. You can definitely go with the Mi 10T 5G. So guys, let's talk about the display. Basically it is having 6.67-inch Super AMOLED screen, comes with 120Hz refresh rate. One of the reason to buy this particular phone is the display, guys. It got very good display panel as far as the specs are concerned. So guys, one more reason to buy this particular phone is the battery life, and it comes with 4520 mAh battery, which can also fast charge your phone up to 33 watt with a wired charger. Both of them supports the 5G and comes with a 2-band, which is the N77 and N78. So right now the 5G bands are not launched in India. I mean, the 5G adaptation is not been in India, so it is not a concern. But later on in the future, if you are planning for the purpose of the 5G capability, always remember there are just 2 bands which are supported. As far as the colors are concerned, it comes with 3 different variants. One is Celestial Silver, Lunar White and the Cosmic Black. I've been using this Cosmic Black for other phones of Xiaomi like the Mi 10T 5G, which the color, that is the black color, is really interesting, guys. You definitely need to check it out. Okay, let's talk about the cameras, guys, because this is the only differentiating factor apart from the processor, because the Mi 11X comes with the 48 megapixel camera, while the Mi 11X Pro comes with a 108 megapixel camera. Now most of the YouTubers, they are going to say that if you consider the 48 megapixel versus 108 megapixel, it's the only difference on the specs. Actually it's not, guys, because Mi 11X Pro supports up to 30 fps 8K video recording. I know most of the are not going to use the 8K, but then again it's a bonus added feature, I would say. Also, the best part about it, the Mi 11X Pro, is that it comes with 60 fps for the 4K recording, whereas the 11X, the base variant or the one which is priced around 30,000, comes with just 4K 30 fps. So that is a major difference, and not the 108 or 48 megapixel. So let's talk about the processor, guys. The processor which is there in the 11X is the Snapdragon 870 processor. It's no slouch in terms of performance. It's a very good processor, but the Mi 11X Pro comes with the Snapdragon 888 processor. I think it just takes the performance to a different level. Now it is a very interesting thing to know whether how it's going to perform. Even I'm waiting for like a full hands-on review from someone who can benchmark 870 and 888 processor. Especially what I'm interested is the heating issues, if there is any other heating issues. But as far as the gaming is concerned, guys, the 888 is the way to go compared to the 870, and especially in the future you might be getting a better Android updates with the 888. As far as the sounds are concerned, both comes with a stereo speaker built in, and it is very loud. That is what I heard. And as far as the Bluetooth is going on, the Mi 11X comes with 5.1 and Mi 11X Pro comes with 5.2. I don't think so it's a major issue, but it's a good thing to know. Let's talk about the build quality of this particular phone. Both phones are at 194 grams heavy, and I think it is one of the best handling phones as far as the images are looking, guys. Again, I don't have the hands-on. I'm trying to buy the Mi 11X Pro. Let me know in the comments below which one should I get. Should I get the Mi 11X or should I get the Mi 11X Pro? Now one more important thing to notice, guys, the base variant of the Mi 11X comes with just 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, whereas the Mi 11X Pro comes with the 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. You can definitely upgrade the Mi 11X just for a price range of 2000, that is for 32,000 you are going to get 8GB and 128GB. I think rather than that, I would rather spend another 8,000 extra and buy the Mi 11X Pro? Let me know in the comments below what do you think about it. If you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments below which phone are you thinking of buying it. Again, on a short note, please buy the phones from mi.com because you have additional coverage like the screen protect etc, which is available for just 2,400 if you buy it only from mi.com. Again, this is like an insurance for your smartphone screen. Just in case you drop it, you never know, it can come handy. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel because there is always something new to learn on CreativeSoft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.